In this video, I'll show you how to change your YouTube channel description. If this helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it too. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to go to youtube.com, and what you will do is click on your profile picture. You'll find it right here on the right. Then go ahead and select YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is going to be the tool that's going to help you navigate through your YouTube channel. And to change your description, the only thing you have to do is to click right here at the bottom left. You're going to see this tab that says customization. Go ahead and click there. Scroll down just a little bit, and right here you can add your description. Think of your description as a small introduction to your YouTube channel. You can tell your viewers about what your videos are about, and this can also help you get into other search results. So this is the small description that I added for this channel. Of course, it's just an example, but you can talk about what you post. For example, I said that every day we share simple and fun guides that are going to help you easily tackle all your questions. A great tip is to finish your description with a call to action, something that is going to make your viewers want to subscribe or to know more about your videos. You can say something like subscribe for more or join me on this journey, and that's how easy you can change your YouTube description. I hope this video helps you.